Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be explaining chessboard distance problem, and it says the chessboard distance for any 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 on a Cartesian plane is defined as max of modulus of x1 minus x2 comma modulus of y1 minus y2. You are given 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Output their chessboard distance. Okay, note that modulus of p denotes absolute value of integer p. For example, modulus of minus 4 is 4. Basically, the negative part you are removing, and modulus of 7 is 7. So yeah, it's easy. I don't know why its rating is 690. Don't worry, I'll be telling you on the board. The input format is what? The first line will contain the number of test cases. So let's take the test case while t minus y. For every test case we'll be calling this function solve in order to solve for the given test cases. So for each test case consists of a single line of input containing 4 space separated integers x1 y1 x2 y2 as defined in the problem. So yeah, x1 y1 x2 y2 will be taking, and we'll be taking their inputs x2 y2. So let me take example. They've given three examples. So first is 2451. Let me take to the board. 2451. 2451. So what they're saying is x1 is 2, x2 is 4. Oh, sorry, not x2, it is y1. Y1 is 4, x2 is 5, y2 is 1. So if you try to draw a Cartesian plane, this is x, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. So x1 is 2. So let's say this is 1, this is 2, and let me take still, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. And y is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I'm taking. So first point is x1 comma y1. First point is x1 comma y1. So where it will be 2 comma 4. This is 2 and this is 4. So first point is here 2 comma 4. And second point is at 5 comma 1. This is 0. So it is at 5 comma 1. So second point is here at 5 comma 1. So in question what they have said is you will have to find this distance, and this distance is defined as max of absolute value. This modulus is in programming you write it as AVS, absolute value of x1 minus x2 comma absolute value of y1 comma y1 minus y2. This is basically formula based only. So if you try to put in this formula, then it will be absolute of what is x1 2 minus what is x2 5 comma absolute of so y1 is 4, y2 is 1, so it will be 4 minus 1. So this can be written as max of absolute of, this is minus 3, and absolute of this is 3. So max of, see, absolute of minus 3 is 3, and absolute of 3 is 3, so its answer is 3. As you can see, its answer is 3. So it is implementation problem only. Basically you will have to find that for you'll have to find the distance using this formula as given in the question. So let us not waste the time, let us directly code it up. So distance is basically max of absolute of x1 minus x2 comma absolute of y1 minus y2, and at the end we'll have to display the answer, some distance. Let's start to run the code. We'll be expecting 3 to 2. Let's see if we are getting or not. So we are getting 3 to 2. Let's try to submit the code if it is accepting or not. yeah, it got accepted. So in this way you could have solved the problem. It was easy only. Basically in this case, C++ two functions, max and absolute, how we have to use that is basically taken care of. Like, you'll have to understand how these two functions are working. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video.